what I'd like to do is lay out some sprinkler heads. To do that, I'm going to jump into my Sprinkler Project 02, and I'm going to go to Sprinkler Ceiling Plan 1. I'm going to pick on the easy rooms. So here's what I want to do. I want to go to the Systems tab. Now we're going to come down here to Sprinkler. Notice that I can't place it. If we have a sidewall diffuser, that's what you'd want to place on a wall. I don't want to do that. I want to place a pendant hosted. Remember, we have our placement panel. So click Place on Face. It's pretty hard to get these centered on the tile. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a spot right here. Now I'm going to hit Escape a couple times. I'm going to select my sprinkler head. I'm going to click Move. I'm not going to pick on the sprinkler head because there's all kinds of little grips and snaps. So I'm going to pick a point right here on the grid. I'm going to move in 600 millimeters. I'm going to click Move again, pick a spot here. I'll move it down 300 millimeters. It's going to center it on that tile. Remember to cut a section. Even when we're sure it's in that grid, I'm never that sure. So I'm going to double click on my section. Sprinklers are tiny, they're hard to see, but just make sure they're in the ceiling. Nothing's worse than floating sprinkler heads. I'm going to hit Control Tab. It goes back to this floor plan. So I'm going to select this sprinkler head here. I'm going to click Copy. I'm going to pick this grid. I'm going to copy it down. I'm going to stagger them a little bit though. I'm going to select this sprinkler head. I'm going to click Move. I'm going to go from here to here. Hit Escape. I'm going to hold down my Control key, select them both. I'm going to click Copy. I'm going to go from this grid to here, to this grid. Now I'm going to pick a window around all four of them. I'm going to click Copy. I'm going to go from this grid to here. Hit Escape. I'm going to pick all these. I'm going to click Copy. I'm going to go from here. I'm going to copy them to this grid. One more set. I'm going to pick these. I'm going to click Copy. I'm going to go here to here. And it doesn't like that one, which is pretty cool that it gives us a warning. Okay, I guess we don't need to sprinkler it. I'm going to delete it because Revit said we don't need it. Now, as I go through, I encourage you to look at my other course, Sprinkler Design in Revit. We have a whole course based only on sprinkler design. So we're going to do a few basic layouts here, but if you have any advanced questions, go ahead and refer to that course.